Hey everyone, I'm Leigh Loftus, a food and beverage photographer of 10 years. I travel across the United States working with chefs, restaurants, and hotels. I get asked the same question: how do I use my cell phone to take better pictures of my food and beverage? As an experienced photographer, I needed to understand the challenges and frustrations that you face daily in trying to capture those promo shots, let alone a shot that simply does justice to your dish or cocktail. I've looked over lots of courses on phone photography. Some of them are very expensive and some are free, but none of them address the issues that you face in your kitchens, dining rooms, and hotels. I know what it's like to get those great shots, and I've developed a course for you to capture amazing photos with your phone. This channel is dedicated to teaching you exactly that, teaching you to take what you've spent hours producing and creating and being able to take a photo that actually does justice to your food and beverage.